Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. The Manage Control Thermocouple screen shows a list of 6 available thermocouples. An indicator at the left of each thermocouple shows whether it's set as a control. At least one TC must be set as control. A control TC limits output power at the target temperature setting. Non-control TCs do not stop temperatures from rising above the target temperature. To change whether a TC is set as a control, highlight it using the arrow buttons. Then press the On/Off button. The top of the screen also shows the TC readings. If a control TC is not being read, its background turns red. Press the Temperatures button to return to the temperature screen. When a TC is set as control, an open TC will display No Signal. Open non-control TCs display 3 dashes. When a valid TC signal is plugged into the channel, the value of the TC is displayed.